Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. In a world of constant noise, stress, and endless to-do lists, mental clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the key to peace is already within you? Welcome to a journey of yoga and mindfulness, tools that have helped millions find calm, focus, and emotional balance. Mindfulness simply means being present, paying attention to the here and now, without judgment. It's about tuning in, not tuning out. Whether it's a deep breath before a meeting or being fully present during a meal, mindfulness can reduce anxiety, cut stress, and quiet the chaos in your mind. Try this. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in. Now exhale. That's a mindful moment. Now let's talk about yoga. Science shows that regular yoga practice lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and boosts serotonin and dopamine, the happy chemicals in our brain. Just 20 minutes of yoga can enhance focus, improve memory, and even lift your mood. It's not just stretching, it's healing. Child's pose gently calms the nervous system. Downward facing dog increases blood flow to the brain, improving clarity. Seated forward bend releases stress and tension in the lower back. Whether it's a 5-minute meditation or a short yoga session, consistency is key. Small habits lead to big changes. Start today and give your mind the peace it deserves. Subscribe for more mindful content, and remember, your clarity begins with one breath.